Guys, running Kimono. It is Wednesday morning, Wednesday the 4th, and we're going to talk about a real gift that IBOTTA tossed in our lap. It is to get 9 free Thanksgiving items at Walmart. So I'm going to walk you through the ABC 1, 2, 3, how to do this, and if you have a pre-existing IBOTTA account, you should probably open it up and check if you have this. If you have time, sometime today, because there's only a limited amount of these Thanksgiving dinners out there, I would do this sooner than later because I have a feeling it's going to go really quickly. So opening up your IBOTTA account, we have this free Thanksgiving dinner sponsored by Campbell's, IBOTTA, and Walmart. So you're going to hit the link there that says learn more, that green button at the bottom. So this is the button that they want you to press, and you have one of two options: to go to a desktop computer and to download an IBOTTA browser and then to punch in your Walmart email with that. Alternatively, if you don't have a computer, what you will do is go to the very bottom, and whatever your IBOTTA email is that's associated with your account, you will punch it in right here and then submit. Now, it'll take within an hour before these rebates start to show up in your account. However, mine came in within 2 minutes, but I also did it at 8 o'clock in the morning, just to note that. Okay, so 3 minutes later, these showed up at the top of my Walmart account. That include, there's 9 items: a 3-pound butterball turkey breast roast, the McCormick gravy, along with a box of the Great Value stuffing mix, a bag of the Idaho potatoes, the Campbell soup, very specific one for 89 cents, the Great Value cranberry sauce, along with the Great Value green beans, the French's crispy fried onions, 2 ounces, and then a 2 liter of the Coca-Cola. Now, this is what it looks like. Yeah, guys, check right away if you might have this. It's spectacular. So in this store, as you could see, I was finding the items, and see how it's the exact same price point. The size amount and the price point, that's what you're looking for. And you can also scan the item with the IBOTTA app to make sure that you're grabbing the right item. And I would recommend you do that so you don't grab the wrong item, because this French's onion, there's a whole bunch of different shapes of containers and stuff, but this is the one that you want. And then with the frozen turkey, there was a whole display of these McCormick 0.87 ounce pouches for $1.12. So it was right near the frozen turkey. So I knew I was grabbing the right one. I still double, triple checked and scanned it, but it was right there, and there was a whole bunch of them. And then just through the store, this is where I found it. They didn't have it in one section. You have to kind of do a supermarket sweep, run through the aisles. Well, maybe don't run, but just look through the aisles. And for 82 cents, the Walmart brand of the Great Value stuffing for 82 cents. And you can choose whichever flavor. They have the cornbread one, the chicken, the turkey, a whole bunch. And then one item I forgot to take a photo is a bag of these instant potatoes for $1.88 by Idaho. This is the soup that we're looking for 94 cents, the cream of mushroom. They have a couple other different types of cream of mushroom, a fancier one for $1.14 and then one for $1.98. You want the one for 94 cents. It's at the bottom shelf where all the soup is. And then also, dancing through the aisle, I found where they have the fruit section, canned fruit. That's where you'll find your cranberry, the Great Value cranberry sauce for 94 cents. That'll go perfect with the turkey breast. And the last item is one of these 2 liters of the Coca-Cola Classic for $1.74. Okay, guys, so I do have 2 items missing, but this was my basket this morning. And I wanted to grab all these items, even if I didn't have the turkey and green beans, because I knew that this would be going really quickly, and some food is better than no food. And what I was missing from my basket was this, which was a 3-pound premium turkey breast for $9.98. They had a soft launch of this on Monday, and I think a lot of people that had it in the app went and just did it. And it's all dependent like when this will drop on your account. Mine have dropped on a Wednesday, but the people that got it on Monday had a little bit more of an advantage. So unfortunately, I couldn't get it, but still, I'm very happy with my basket. And then the other item that was kind of bizarre was this. It has to be this one that says green bean fine, the 12 ounce. It can't be the cut ones. And these are $1.34, and my store was cleared of them. Okay, guys, so here is my basket of food, 7 items, and I used the Ibotta app to make sure I was grabbing the right stuff in the store. Unfortunately, that turkey breast wasn't around, as well as the green beans, but, I guess it's okay. The next closest Walmart is like a 2-hour drive return, so I was okay with what I got. Okay, guys, so here it is. There's my balance at self-checkout for $9.46. So I just rang up all of the items. And again, I went out first thing this morning because I did not want to miss out on some free food. And then so opening up the Ibotta app, I'm doing this in store. And just to show you, I'm going to scan the receipt barcode. Here we are. And so this is not my receipt, but just to show you where it says TC, that big squiggly line, that's what I have to scan in store. So here it is again. So I got I opened up the Ibotta account, scanned this goofy barcode, and then after I did that, it started to do the beach ball aggregation. This is in real time, so however many seconds this is, and it's just validating that I purchased the items. And then as you could see, there it all is, all the stuff that I bought, and I'm getting $9.59 back. So how great is that? Sending off that receipt to Ibotta. And then I think within a minute, before I even left the store, I got my money back. So guys, the game plan for this is I would absolutely try to get out to Walmart right away. It has to be Walmart, and that's not negotiable. It's got to be that specific store for this rebate, because this is in partnership with Campbell's, Ibotta, and Walmart. And a lot of the items are great value, which is the Walmart brand. Because I know people will be like, well, can I do this at a different store? No, it has to be Walmart. And if you are in a situation like me where some of this food you can't find, don't be shy to ask somebody in the store, like an employee, saying, hey, could you possibly help me out? This premium 3-pound butterball breast, would you have any in the back? And I had one of the ladies with the zebra gun from the meat department. She came over and she scanned every single tag, because there's a whole bunch of different ones. There's a savory, a plain one, and one with honey, or I don't know, something magical. And she scanned all of them, and she's like, no, we're completely out. And she's like, this is a product. We got the larger ones instead of the smaller ones this Thanksgiving. She's really nice too. And I was like, oh, thank you so much. And, even to get like $9.59 of free food, I was still a very happy camper. Get as much as you possibly can. And if you might have like 3 Walmarts within like a 10-mile radius or something like that, maybe find a store where you can find most of your stuff and do your purchase there. I think this is going to go really quick because it is so sizzling hot. Make it happen. And if you can go out on your lunch break or go out right now, just go and do it, guys, because free food is the best kind of food. And even if you were going to donate like half of these items to a food pantry, I know there's a lot of people in need who would love to have this food. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.